Hey product mavens, welcome back to our channel How to Be a PM. My name is Ishan Mahajan and today we are exploring an essential topic for anyone interested in product management, the product development stages. Whether you are launching a new software or rolling out a fresh feature, this concept of product development stage is very important. We'll break down each stage: ideation, design, build, testing, launch, and assess with real world examples from tech companies. Let's jump into the first stage: ideation. This is where the concept for the product begins. It involves brainstorming, market research, defining the core idea. Take Google's development of Google Glass. The idea was born from the concept of augmented reality glasses that could provide information and connectivity in real time. Google's ideation involved identifying market needs and exploring technological possibilities. In this stage, it's crucial to generate innovative ideas and understand the problem you are solving for the target customers. Moving to the design stage, this is where the idea starts to take shape into a tangible product that can guide development. It involves creating prototypes, designing feature, refining user interface, and many more. For instance, when Apple was designing the Apple Watch, they went through numerous iterations to ensure the design was both functional and stylish. They focused on user experience and integration with iOS. Design is where you can turn your concept into something concrete, making sure it aligns with user needs and market expectations. Moving to the build phase, this is all about translating designs and specifications into a functional product. This involves various technology related activities and decisions. For example, Spotify employs Java and Python for backend services and Swift for iOS development. The stack helps manage complex audio streaming and user personalization effectively. Moving to the next stage, testing. This stage, the product undergoes rigorous evaluation to identify any issues before it hits the market. For example, consider Microsoft's Windows 10 rollout. Microsoft released various build versions to a group of testers before the official release to ensure stability and performance. Testing helps you catch and fix potential problems, ensuring a smooth experience for the end users. Now we reach the launch stage. This stage is when the product is officially released to the public. It involves marketing, sales, distribution, and a lot of other things. Take the launch of Oculus Rift by Oculus VR. The company generated significant buzz through pre orders, demonstrations, and promotional events. The launch was pivotal for establishing the product in the VR market. During this stage, it's all about creating excitement and making sure your product reaches your target audience effectively. Finally, we have the assess stage. After launch, it's essential to evaluate the product's performance, gather user feedback, and make necessary adjustment accordingly. For instance, after launching the first version of the Surface Pro, Microsoft collected user feedback to address performance issues and enhance features in subsequent versions. Assessment helps you understand how well your product is performing, what improvements can be made, and how you can better meet user needs. And that wraps our look at the six stages of product development: design, ideation, design, build, testing, launch, and assess. Understanding these stages can help you navigate the complex journey of bringing a tech product to a market successfully. If you found this video successful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel How to Be a PM, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.